Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 10 of the ICT Level 1 exam preparation worksheet. This exercise requires to calculate the food cost for the family fun day and horse show at the Burfield Pony Club. We have the cost price for single portions and the profit margin to apply to our ingredients. We will calculate the total selling price per person, the ingredients' average selling price, the ingredients' maximum and minimum selling price. Also, we want to check which ingredients are above average and calculate their total. At last, we need a graph to analyze the selling price of the ingredients. Let's get started by adjusting the cost price of the plain chicken piece, which was entered incorrectly. The right price is 44 pence. Then let's adjust the table settings. We'll select columns C to F and enlarge them. Then, we'll set up the borders, centering everything, and we'll apply grey fill color to the top row. Since these are monetary values, we'll format them using the accounting option. Next, we'll calculate the selling price, which is the cost price plus the profit. So, equal, select the cost price, plus, select the profit and press enter to finalize the formula. After calculating the selling price, we'll drag the formula down to apply it to the entire column. We'll also calculate the total, the average, the maximum and the minimum using the AutoSum shortcut, selecting the range manually for each formula. Once done, feel free to format everything consistently using the Home ribbon menu and the Format Painter if needed. Now we will use the formula if, as we want to identify the items which cost above average and calculate their total. Select cell F10 and type, equal, if, open bracket. Then E10 bigger than E20, which need to be transformed as absolute reference using F4. Then comma, select E10 as value if true, comma, type 0 as value if false. At last close bracket and enter to finalize the formula. We will apply this formula to all ingredients by pulling the fill handle down. Once this is done, we calculate the total in cell F19 using the AutoSum, selecting the range manually and finalizing the formula with enter. There you go. The table is now completed, so we can create a chart to analyze the ingredient costs. We'll use a column chart to display the selling prices of each ingredient, selecting the data in column B, holding the control button and selecting the selling prices in column E, and creating the graph using F11. We will rename the graph tab C12 and move after E10. Take your time to format the graph as you like. Let's create another pie chart for comparison, showing the percentages and naming the tab C13, and moving it after C12. Take your time to format the graph as you like. To better analyze the data, we'll apply the filter to the table and we will sort the items by profit value from the highest to the lowest. There you go. Keep practicing, follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.